Jai Hind students. So as we have already discussed about the how to find out the decimal in addition, subtraction, multiplication. So today I am going to revise it entire concept. So let us start. As we know, 2 by 4, as you are able to see, it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is always less than the denominator. So 2 by 4. After that, so what is the denominator? That I will give here 4, and after that this 2 I will give it here. And what is the position? What is the divisor? It is your dividend, it is your quotient, and this one is your remainder. So what I will do now, I will start. Now 4, can we divide 2? It is possible, it is not possible. So what I will do, 4 0 is 0. After that directly it will come down, 2 minus 0, 2, 20. Now decimal I will put here. After that, since I will put the decimal to directly I can write the 0 over there. Now 4 5 is 20. Now if I am minusing 20 minus 20, what will be the answer? 0. That is correct. Okay. Now after that, second question I am taking 2 by 8. Now in that condition, what I will do, 8 again it is a proper fraction. So 8 zeros are 0. I got 2 minus 0, 2. Decimal I will put here. So if I am putting the decimal, always remember, if I am putting the decimal, I can write here 0. 8 2 is 16. So 20 minus 16, how much I will get? That is 4. Already I have put here decimal. So if I insert the decimal over there, so I can take here 0 at any point of time at every level of the division. So 8 already I have taken here, so I put here 0. So 8 5 is 40. So remainder again it is 0. So I can say the answer is 0.25. Now let us move to the second level type of question. 7 by 8. It is also a proper fraction. Here what I have done, it is single digit, 0. Single digit decimal. Here it is 0.25. That is after decimal 2 numbers are there. And always remember, when we are saying the number, we will say 0.25, not 0.25. Every time we should say 0.25. After decimal we should count individual digit. Now next, 8 0 is 0. After here it came 70. Decimal I have taken here 0. 8 8 is 64. What is a decimal? 60, because 10 minus 4, here it will be 6. 60 I got. Now after that, 8 7 is 56. Already I told you the decimal is there, so I can take here 0. 60 minus 56, remainder I got 40. After that, 8 5 is 40, again decimal. Again the remainder becomes 0. So what is the answer? 0.875, not 0. I will say 875. Always I will say 0.875. Same, let us come about the improper fraction. 14 by 5. 5 2 is 10. 14 minus 4 is equal to 40. Decimal I can take here, then I can place here 0. Because 5 2 is 10, here I will get only 4. But 5 I can't divide 4. So what I will do? I will take decimal, so I will become 40. 5 8 is 40, remainder again 0. So what is my answer? 2.8. Now in this case, as you are able to observe, in this proper fraction, I will write first 0, after that I will solve. And in improper fraction, first I will take the number. Here I am not taking 0. 5 2 is 10, after that I am solving it. Same, let us take another question. 15 by 4. 4 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 I got here 3. Again 4 7 is 28. Already I am able to solve that. Now 30 minus 28 2. Already decimal is there. So I can take here 0 over here. Now 4 5 is 20. Cancel. So what is the answer? 3.75. Now same, let us move to the next, that is 2.3. Now how to add the decimal? 2.3 plus 4.5. Now what I will write? 2.3, 4.5 I will write as it is. As you are able to say below decimal, I will write decimal. So 2.3, 4.5. Near decimal, decimal. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. There is a very important thing that we should never miss, that is decimal to decimal. It should come down only. Next, 2.3 into 4.5, decimal, decimal. In multiplication, how we will do? Same position I will write. Near decimal to decimal I have written over there. Now 5 3 is 15, 5 1, 5 2 is 10, 11. 4 3 is 12, 2 1, 4 2 is 8, 9. Normal. How we are doing the multiplication? Same I will do here. Only in case of addition, remember decimal to decimal I will match. Later I will tell you how to add. Now I got the answer 1035. 1035 I got. But how to put the decimal? After decimal, how many digits are there? 1. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1. Total, how many digits are there? 2. So before 2 digits, I will put the decimal. Now again same, 4.5 minus 2.3. So I will write 4.5, 2.3 I have written over there. Now decimal to decimal near. 5 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So answer is 2.2. Now let us move to the next digit. Suppose 4.51 plus 5.3. This is the next type of question. Now 4.51, next is that 2.30. Now how I have written the 2.3 is there. Now 0 is not there. But also I told you the rule of the addition of the decimal. Decimal, it should be near to near. I can't write far. So decimal I have written. After that number is not there, then I will put here 0. Now I will add this number. 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6.81 is my answer. Next, 4.51 into 2.3. In this condition, it is not required near decimal to decimal. Decimal to decimal, that rule I should follow only in case of 1, that is your case of addition. Now, how I do 4.51, 2.3? I will simply multiply. How I multiply? 3 1 are 3, 5 3 are 15, 5 1, 4 3 are 12, 13, 5 2 1 are 2, 5 2 is 10, 0 1, 4 2 is 8, 9. Now, I got 10,373 answer. Now, what is the rule I told you? After decimal, how many digits are there? 2. 1, 2. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1. So, total how many are there? 2. 2 plus 1, 3 digits. So, before 3 digits number, I have inserted the decimal. Same logic, suppose I am following 4.51 minus 2.3. 4.51, 2.3. After decimal number is not there, I will put here 0. And I will minus 1 minus 0, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 2. 2.21 is the answer. Same, let us come to the next topic. As you are able to see here, 4.5 plus 2.5. Now, what I will do? 4.50, because after that decimal is not there. Which number I will place first? Which number is greater? I will not write 2.5 first, because I should remember 4.5 is a bigger number. So, I will write 4.5 first. Second, I will write 2.51. After that number is not there, I will place here 0. Now, 0 plus 1, 1. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. Means it will carry right side. Now, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7.01 is the answer. Same, 4.5 minus 2.5. Now, which one is bigger number? 4.5. So, I will write 4.5, 2.51 after that. Now, after that, it is not given over the number. Now, I will take 1 carry. Now, 10 minus 1, 9. 5, here it become 9. 9 minus 5, it will become 9. After that, sorry, 9 minus 5, 9. After that means it will become actually, okay. Now, 4, here it is given over there, 4. Now, it already I have done, here it remaining 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So, 1.99. So, these are the questions that is important. I request you to watch this and carefully and stop the video and practice it again and again. So, you will be masters on it.